Right, a while back I mentioned about the noise coming from the back of the car, and we thought it was the parcel shelf get wobbling like that. So if I put something on there to stop it making a noise, it didn't do. It still kept on rattling away. It stopped at the light, kept doing that. So what I've done now, I mentioned that I've got under the car, and I mentioned that before. There's that area here, that area, which is now was loose before. So all I've done is glued it with a bit of super glue, and it's fixed perfectly. So now there's absolutely no rattling. So coming back, you can press on the car, rattles. It doesn't make. Sorry, made a mess of that. Making a mess of the car.